Hello, we're fixing everything. And because there is always something to be fixed, let's try to fix this iron. It's being brought to me to be fixed and it's missing the cable. So, let's fit the cable. First, I know that we need to take off what is Philips 6300 series steam iron. There is no calcium inside, lime scale. Ah, nasty, that's Philips hair. So let me take my tools then. You can see it torques. Yeah, I think that's a lot better too. Torques 10 maybe. Is it even smaller than that? Oh, it's 10. Okay. So Torx number 10 to open it up. Maybe I should change them. I really dislike Torx on plastic electronics. I think the only reason to be done like so is so you can open it to fix it. I was making a video yesterday for a battery, Anker battery, and it was glued so much that the chance of you poking the battery and burning yourself is so high. I don't even know if it's worth the risk to open it. It was going to explode. I'm lucky that it had no charge in it. One more. Give me a second. Open it. Let's see. This one is a lot easier to open than the previous I had. Let's see. Up. Water. Too much water. I'll go and take off the water out first. Okay, so just drain the water. Let's see. Two red wires, blue one, two red wires, blue one, that's for the switches. Blue one, white one. Come on. No? Take the right screwdriver and zoom in a bit. He doesn't want to know. Who's screwed in here? Give me a second. An Italian design. There we go. Let's change the wire. Can you see they put the Phillips head on the inside where they touch the machine, but where you need to touch the machine, they put the Torx. Why didn't put the Torx on the inside? Huh? Because they don't want to repair it, that's why. First thing we're gonna do, because we're inside already, we will, let's take all the bolts out. What we can do is check the element if the ends of the element didn't blow. We can check if the element didn't blow, made a short circuit with the boiler. We will take the multimeter and do the measuring. Now we need to measure also that the element is good. Put it in resistance, 200 ohms. Forty-two is not bad. Then put it to the maximum amount. Put it here and then measure. Nothing. That's brilliant. Put it on this side, measure. Nothing. That's good. That's I think that's protection against the element going too hot. It's okay. It's closed now, so it's like just like wire. What else we got? That's a sensor with the pressure. Let's see if this one is okay. Yeah, this one is fine. The coil, well, if you watch my other video, you might figure out yourself what the resistance of the coil needs to be, but I just measure, make sure we got something. I think that's like 2000 or 1000 something Q ohms. Yeah, that's okay. Well, if there is a problem, it will be with the mechanics of this valve. Otherwise, I can't see anything specific going bad. We have the phase wire, the neutral and the earth cable. I'll just get the correct screwdriver again. I got myself a computer power supply cable that we'll use as a cable. Use cable strippers, don't use model knives and Stanley knives to chop cable. Cable strippers are a lot better, a bit more expensive though. I don't know where I put my ones, but what is the cable? Three by 0.75. That's a bit thin for something like this. Still, I don't think it's gonna melt. What they used, I don't know, 3 by 1. I think that's one. Actually, it feels the same. No, that's probably one. It's gonna be okay. Yeah, it feels okay. You just saw it was like that from the manufacturer. Not supposed to do that. Still, it won't hurt anyone. These need to be crimped. I had a colleague who was saying, "Oh, don't be so sensitive." We have another 10 minutes of video left, so we need to be quick before I need to. Where's that one? I have only one. Okay, no problem. Have this wet thingy here. I just put it like so. Is it touching something? No. Let's just put it like so and make sure it's working. Okay. Let's see if the iron is clicking. So the boiler is clicking. Let's see if the iron is working. Maybe not. Can you see the light doesn't come up? Or it does, I don't know. Yeah, there is light. It's lighting up. I think it's working perfectly fine. Okay, I will give it a little wipe and I'll fill it up with water. Let's see if it's working. I know I told you bye-bye, everything is working good and all that, but after 15 minutes of use, it started leaking right from the back of the iron. I just opened that, there was one screw to be open, and it started leaking right from the pipe. I just poked it just a little bit, just like tiny bit. Can you see the problem? That's why they throw it in the bin, because the plastic broke off right here. I'll find a piece of pipe. The best thing is to use metal, maybe a small copper or stainless steel, something like so. I'll do a perfect job. So that's the problem. I'll try to find something small to replace this bit, and it's gonna be back to normal. This one is a bit rusted, but as far as it's working, as long as it's working, it's okay. Let's find a piece of pipe to replace now. Okay, so this is inside. That's what inside the iron. I don't know how I'm gonna find something exactly like this. I'll try to find it on the internet, but if I can't find it, I will give this one a little fix quickly, and I'll show you in the end what happened, because I have only like 45 seconds left for the video. Okay, very quickly, because I have no battery, I made a quick fix. Glued with a super glue and baking soda. Now I'll plug it in and see if it works. Okay, it doesn't work. It blew up again. It blew up even more. Completely doesn't work. I'll need to find a better solution to finish the video. Okay, so what I did is I assembled everything. I turned it in the power. I just stopped the light. The light was on. It just stopped, which means that it's ready to work. You can hear a little bit of whistling from the valve, but that's almost like normal. Let's see if it's producing any heat. It's definitely blowing heat. It's not as strong as I'm used to, but it's not bad. Do I have a piece of cotton that I can try it on? There we go. I don't know if this part is okay, but there we go, piece of cotton. Oh, you can see the light is on, which means that the thermostat on the steam iron is working, on the steam boiler. It's making this wet, so should be okay. The steam, it's lifting the iron. So yeah, that's good to go. It's hot. So I didn't manage to show you how we can fix it, but I showed you what you can check. You definitely need to check the heating element on the boiler. Make sure it's not shorted to the outside. Measure the resistance of the element. It's around 45 ohms. Can be a problem with the iron itself, but probably someone Got pissed off with the look of it. Got some wear and tear on it. Maybe some housewarming wanted. I bought today one of these pneumatic connectors. It was looking like so. And I chopped it off. So it was like that. I chopped it with the angle grinder. And this metal piece will replace this plastic one. It had a spring inside, and the plastic one, it had a spring, maybe to keep the hose straight. I'm not sure that I can make it stay. Let's see if I just twist it a little bit. Yeah, it will stay. It will stay like so. Okay, let's see now. Where is the middle? One, two, it's right here. I'll try to put it right in the middle. Okay, a bit more. Should be okay. Let's put it here. Up. I need to put this thing on the top. I tried to find a plastic connector, but I couldn't find one. So I just decided that a metal one will be even better. Should I pull this one off? Put this one back in. Okay. I'm going. It's gonna be fine. Okay. What if I get it undone? I think it's gonna be easier. Maybe. Just like so, a bit more. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay. And now the bottom one as well. This went up enough. I can a bit more. Okay, that should be fine. Let's turn it on. Let's make sure there is enough water inside. Yeah, there is plenty of water. Okay, I'll wait for it to warm up and we'll give it a test. The light of the boiler just turned off. I can't see no leaks, but let's switch it on and have a look again. Definitely no leaks. And now the steam that comes from the iron is a lot stronger as well, maybe because here I had such a big leak, everything was going on the inside of the iron. I'm a bit worried for that connection, so if the iron stops working one day, I'll make a video on how to replace the whole assembly there, but I'll leave it like this for now. I will screw everything back in, and hope the video was helpful to you. I think this time we went end the video without any further problems coming up. Yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.